Finally, gold crossed 4650 that we discussed yesterday, and right now gold is trading around 4700. If you have watched my yesterday's video, hope you guys made good money because we discussed about the possibility of buy and buying at retracement. Market did not come for retracement, rather it went straight up and it was a big breakout. And right now we can see that gold is in consolidation. So if you are a buyer of gold, then obviously you must be very happy, because if you have observed my videos, then you must have observed that 70% of my positions are on buy side only. So I was also very happy. But right now, okay, we need to understand that gold is trading in a range. Okay, so here you need to be full of patience, because if you lose patience, you may end up being stuck in a bad position. I have taken a buy. Yes, today also I'm on a buy right now. Okay, hope I will be making some good profit. Right now I'm in profit because I took a buy around this particular area here, because market was in consolidation. I felt that okay, it was a good risk. Okay, so I took the buy position. Anyways, if you look at the market sentiment right now, because market sentiment is important, market sentiment decides the trend of the market. You can see gold prices steady, supported by lower US Treasury yields. Gold holds gain on Middle East peace prospects. So overall, the market sentiment is also showing us the direction towards the upside. So in this situation, if you're a day trader, okay, it will be better and safer for you to be on the buy side only, unless US President Donald Trump does something new. So stay in touch with the news as well, because any news will obviously have a direct impact and market will go crazy again. Okay. So in this situation, the first and the best trading opportunity is to take a buy above 4723. You can see since yesterday, since yesterday's US session, market is trying to cross the range here, but the market has failed. Already the market has tried to break the level thrice. So maybe, okay, it will fail again. But overall, we can expect that during the day, okay, market will be going up. So if market breaks 4723, we can look for a breakout. As we all know, if a level is tested many times, it loses the strength. So here also, okay, there is a good chance that at one point, okay, this level will lose the strength and buyers will take the market up. So if you see that gold is going up, okay, if you see market is going up with a big green candle, you can look for a buy above 4723. In case market fails, then you can look for a buy at retracement. The first retracement level is 4675 and the second retracement level is around 466062. Okay, the blue line that you see here is also a support where we can look for a buy position if market comes for retracement, and we can look for buy around 4765. So these are the two levels where we can look for a buy if the breakout fails and market comes for retracement. As we all know, volume plays a crucial role. So if the volume remains like this, then only expect a buy. Suppose market shows a big red candle, then obviously it will not work. In that case, your support will be around here, 4612 to 4605. Okay, let me show you why. Because the price action will come here. Okay, so if market takes support around this area also, we can look for a buy. If the market crashes, chances are low that market will crash and market will come down heavily, but still, okay, this is gold. Okay, anything may happen. So the first trading opportunity is buying at breakout above 4723, 4724. Okay, and in case the breakout fails, we can look for buy around the retracement levels around 466075 area. Okay, and keep in touch with the news as well. As I have already mentioned, okay, already market has tested the level 3 times since yesterday and it has failed. So it may fail one more time again. Okay, but be careful. Okay, so if you see a big green candle, then only go for a buy. Okay, if you have any ongoing buy, you can hold your buy position as long as market is in this particular range here. If anything crazy happens, you will get an update in the free Telegram community. If you're still not a part, feel free to join. The link is in the description. Okay, and nothing much to discuss here. Okay, that's all from my side. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.